Well, we're at the Sugar River trails here in Newport. Oh, there's Jacob. So this is a new trail that we're going to be trying today. Getting the snacks ready. These guys unloading.
Missed our turn right behind me. Lost! Oh boy, kiddos. Wow. Oh, this is the Mica Mine. Alright, here we are. Entrance to the Sugar River Trail on the Newport side. Everybody's making sure their gas is turned on. Oh, that breeze already feels so good. 90 degrees and 60% humidity. This should be a fairly flat novice trail. Should be about 9.5 miles riding along the Sugar River here until we get into Claremont. Midway up this trail should be a turnoff where you can ride up to the Mica Mines, which should be another 4.5 mile trail. Should be a nice shakedown run. Beautifully maintained. Let's see if we get anything technically challenging out here.
too close. I turned the GoPro around to get the back view this way, but maybe we should turn it back around to watch you, Ann.
No. Also, this is super tight.
Yeah, I've noticed that. Hang on, I'm going to take a little tension off of it. Try it now. riding like champs back there. Tell you what though, I'm spoiled on the Can Am with independent suspension all the way around. Jay and I have the comfy go of it. Everybody else is on 1980s suspension. Fixed rear axle, shaft drive. There's some mud. Different ride. Ooh. Mom, go forward.
I've already turned it off.
Let me cool down for a little bit. Probably some nice warm clutch oil. Oh yeah. I can smell actually it's warm.
I'm guessing this little beast.
I'm betting these two guys are working their motor oils. I think that one's burning oil out of the head somewhere.
I would say after this.
Drive until it breaks and then take it in and be like, what's going on? It doesn't even have 40 hours on it.
I'd say we're about halfway to the mine.
Okay.
That was, yeah, that was more ATVing, less highwaying.
Yes. That was, she's still smoking pretty good.
Yeah, I think once we got to this, I was like, let's cool them down because these guys are all air cooled.
I dare you to go.
So if you're not moving, you're just climbing slow.
That would be so miserable for the rest of the ATV.
But it would make a viral. Get free hot lunch every day for the whole year. Every day. From the Concord School.
Still some good heat.
We could have done it last week. Oh, we could have done it last year, but.
That motor's warm.
I wonder if it's the road.
That's pretty good.
Okay, you do that. I'm gonna buy you a bag.
These two, the lower cases on these two are toasty. The little guys are working, but they're cooling.
With the flavor on it,
I can feel the heat.
Yeah.
It's like
Pretty good.
if you like this.
But it's not like, it's not smoking. It's
Yeah,
not-
and you're not clutch slipping. No idea. Oh boy, she's gonna go for it. All right. Finally found some mud. Oh, we lost everybody. Somebody end up shorting out after the water. We're right there. Well, let me go back and see. they got into the mud.
Oh yeah, he was deep in there.
Oh, nice. Oh, he's still spinning. Found the soup. Oh, well, look at that, huh? I got one.
No, we should probably have one available.
We've got two.
That's what I did with one. I must have left it in the truck.
We got two on the front of Anne Marie's.
All right.
Mica Mine. You know what's interesting though? There are other trails out here being ridden that would seem appropriate to ride. I'll have to look on my GPS where I think that trail is there. Oh, no trail sign. We missed our turn right behind me here. I'm lost! Unless either way goes to the Mica Mines, we just made a choice. Okay, now I'm starting to understand why people are like, we can't find what we're looking for up here. Start to pay attention to the way we count. Oh boy, kiddos. Oh boy. Study this for a little bit. I went about halfway. Yeah, and then I said, you know, I'm a little deep in the woods. And the bottom didn't feel like I had found it yet. Little jello-like. So I think where we just turned around was right here. Pike Mountain, so yeah, we're not going that way. We're going this way. weaving up towards Unity Mountain. Unity Mountain, yep. So fortunately we have the GPS, so we'll be able to find our way out. So we'll just kind of keep
Are we
weaving our
lost?
way. Well, no. We have GPS, so we've recorded the way we've come, but what we're finding off of here is there's a number of different decisions we can make off of this trail, that this trail only highlights one way.
So have we made it to the Mica Mine yet?
No, you'll know when you get there. So I am...
You don't know where, I mean, we don't really know where we are.
So I'm kind of making decisions that have the GPS heading in the direction of the trail here, but this shows one trail, and we've had, you know, 3 or 4 decisions we could have made. So we'll just, we'll keep going.
Yep.
And some of these decisions might literally be side trails with just little views off. This is probably a bypass for this. Because right before here was a left-right turn.
Yeah.
I bet if we came back that way, we'll see on GPS it just ties right together.
Caleb, a quick breather.
What? Hey, buddy. Oh, it hit me. Oh, that's nice.
How do you trust that thing so much that it's not just gonna let your phone fall out?
That's why we're calling today a shakedown run, because I actually don't know a lot of things today.
Now, are we continuing on?
We are. We're close. We're probably within a half mile, so we'll see if we can get there. The riding up here is a lot more creative, which is a lot more fun. It's more trail. Technical. Everybody's still coming. Taking space. For help here. For these little Moto4s, this is going to be a trip. What about coming this side? I'll keep you from flipping here. I'll keep you from flipping if you're going to roll down, and maybe we do that one.
Yeah, what do you want me to do? Back it up?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, keep it in first.
Keep it in first?
Yeah, keep it in first so we have forward if we need it. Yep, because it'll go back on its own accord. Yep. Let's pull it this way.
You want to run it this way? Go right there.
Yeah, I think you could do that right there.
These don't have the same kind of power, but
No, they don't. Oh, the front end stayed on the ground. I like that.
Have a cup of tea.
Yeah, I'll bring that right up. Well, I guess we signed up for a little bit of adventure today. Oh, come on now. Where are these mines? Where are these mines? Ay. That's deep. She rides that thing like a champ. Oh man, hey, we're not riding that. This might be as far as we go. Maybe if it's solid on the bottom, I think these guys can go through. I'm not sure. The other challenge, we'll pause for a moment. Let me pull out the map and take a look. If you guys want to watch, I'll ease through. I haven't walked over there yet. That just looks like the kind of stuff that would be uber soup. I'll ease in here. Tell you what though, the other Moto4s aren't coming through it.
So I won't do it.
Wait till the end of the season, we'll hit it again.
Yeah, right.
That way when it's dead, Jimmy doesn't, he's got all winter to rebuild.
So when you go through there, are we taking a left? Right where Jimmy
Yeah.
is?
Don't.
Oh, just this?
Yeah, go right here.
I'll drive through here.
Yep. So you just have to make it through
So
there.
just through there. Okay.
I think we can go right here. All right, here's what I think. The bugs don't eat me first. We made our turn. That's gonna be this turn. I'd say looking at this little, right next to the 2, is probably this guy right off my fingernail, which makes me think we are right below the ridge. Makes me think on my GPS that this little 1800 point here is probably where we're going. So if I turn my phone, makes me think that the mine is right up there as a crow flies. And we would go around, up and over the top there. It would seem that we are darn close, but oh boy, hard to say if we'll make it today. Might have to come back and do another one. It's probably, well, it's a little after 3:30, almost 3:45. We hit the trail probably about 1:45, so 2 hours to get here. Probably about time to think about making our way back down. So something handy here when we pull off, trail charging GoPro batteries. Just a cheap knockoff charger. And then I have a freebie battery pack. Sits under here and I'm just kind of tossing it in here to keep it from rattling around. Keeps me stocked with charged batteries. Let's see, we must be getting close here. Got my GPS on. That's it right there. All right, so we're gonna go back and get the team. The team is, they can't be more than 1/10 of a mile away. We just got bogged down in the mud. But this is it. Love to get them up here. We got 2 more mud pits between us and them. One of them we can go around. The other one we might have to think about it, but love for them to get up and see all of this. Can't wait to see the view on the other side, but I'll wait until the team gets here, because if I don't see it, I'll come back and see it with them. But I will show you the Mica Mine. And I hear Jay right through there. So our team is literally just below the ridge, probably as a crow flies, a few hundred yards that way. We can make it. Here we go. Yep, so I didn't realize that Jay wasn't in front of me heading back to the group. I don't know where he went. Come up around here. This is the last obstacle. After this, the trail is clear. There's another parking lot up there, but I took the corner that was too soon, but we can walk over to it.
All this stuff you're seeing is my stuff.
Yeah, look it. It's just wow.
What is this called, Mica Mine?
Oh, this is the Mica Mine. Oh yeah. We'll probably have to walk around to where Jay and I were a moment ago. There's a huge cave here. Because, yeah, we're at the bottom of the mine. That just walks you into the bottom of the mine there that's flooded. I didn't see that. I'm going to walk around. If you took the ATV up there, there's a parking lot up on top. Yeah. Just don't drive off the edge, because the trail does go up to the edge of the mine.
Oh, if you went past it?
Yeah, there's a big left-hand turn, big open area.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's awesome. We made it just after 4 o'clock. We got 2 hours to get out of here. At least it's downhill. But we should be able to get out of here before... We'll be out of here before dark. I should never say that. Ta-da! Oh, guys, the view. The view is up here. You go around the way we came in on the ATVs, and a little further up the road, there's a parking lot. Pay attention to Jacob, though. There's ledges. Ride would be easier. I say grab them and go.
Go where?
I'll meet you guys at the top of it so nobody rides into it. Look at that. Boy, I hope we're in a zone where we can fly the drone. I'll have to take a look at the app to make sure there isn't an airport too close. I'd love to throw it up in the air for a moment here. Down we go. I guess I have the map, don't I?